Do you think luck is just an accident? No, it's a skill you are ignoring. I am Gear Seeker. Let's begin. We live in a world constantly brimming with possibilities. Every event, every new person we meet, every piece of information we encounter can become the raw material for a lucky break. Life, like an endless river, continuously tosses us chances. Unexpected turns that can lead to growth, new discoveries, or achieving our biggest goals. However, as we've seen, not everyone can grab onto this gift. Our own close attitude, getting stuck on problems, fear of the unknown, or simply not paying attention can make us deaf to the very moments that could change our lives for the better. We might miss a life-changing encounter, overlook valuable advice, or pass up an offer that could have been a springboard to our dreams. But the good news is, learning to spot a lucky break is a skill you can do well. It requires awareness, an open mind and heart, and the willingness to take action. Don't wait for luck to find you. Create it. Be open. Look at the world with wide open eyes. Embrace new things, even if they seem unfamiliar at first. Be observant. Pay attention to details, to the signs life sends you. Listen to your gut feeling. Be flexible. Don't be afraid to change your plans if you see a new, more promising path. Be ready to act. When an opportunity shows up, take a step forward. Don't let fear or laziness hold you back. Believe in the best. A positive attitude is your compass, helping you find and see opportunities, even in the most unexpected situations. Every day, every hour, every moment is your chance. Learn to see, to catch, and to act, because your lucky break is already here. It's just waiting for you to notice it. Stop waiting. Start seeing. If you want to master your reality, hit that like button and subscribe. I'm Gear Seeker. Find your path.